Determinants. All right, so first off, we have to define there's a checkerboard pattern of positive, negative signs. So the first entry here is positive, and anytime you take a step in any direction, it changes sign. So positive, negative, or you can go this way, positive, negative. So just horizontally or vertically. All right, so and then these are the markers. So this is row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, row 1, column 3, row 3, column 1, right? So that's how we identify. Okay, so this is the formal definition of the cofactor. So the cofactor is of the ij position is -1 to the I plus j power times the determinant of the matrix made by this. Okay, so I want to go through an example to kind of just show you what that means. So we're going to expand about the first row. I think this is better than trying to explain the definition. So the first row is 3, 0, 4, right? And we're going to keep in mind the positive, negative. So this is a positive term, this is a negative term, and this is a positive term. So there's a positive in front of the 3, and then what I do is I'm going to take the determinant of the matrix that's left if I eliminate the row and the column that 3 is in. So that's the matrix left over, right? Okay, let me erase. Can use this. So now this 0, this next term here is in the negative position. So I'm just putting it in there for effect. -0 times the determinant of the matrix that's left over if I cross out that row and column. So 2, 0, 2, -1. Then moving to the next position, which is in the positive position. So that's +4. And the matrix that's left over, if I cross out the row and column. Okay, so now 2 by 2 matrices, you know how to find the determinant of. So it's 3 times -1, subtract 5 times 2. And then this term is going to be 0, right? And then 4 times, and this will be 10, subtract 0. So the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix is 1. Okay, so what this means is, so just to give you an idea, so this was A11 times the cofactor expansion, right? Multiplying times the matrix that's left over. So let's just kind of go through a little bit of the definition just so you understand it. Mostly I just need to make sure that you see how to do it. So let's be wise about what row to choose. So I'm thinking this row right here, row or column, right? Row or column to expand about. I like this row because it's got lots of zeros. Okay, so this is positive, negative, +2. So +2, and this -1 to the I plus j gives you a positive. So this is a way of formally giving you the checkerboard pattern, right? But you could just count it, positive, negative, positive. And then determinant of the matrix that's left over if you cross out that row and that column. There it is. And then plus zeros times all the others. Okay, so I've got this 2 right here, and then I'm going to choose a row or a column in this matrix to find the determinant of. So I'm going to use this row. So I'll have 0 times the cofactor expansion, 0 times the cofactor expansion, plus, and you don't have to write that, right? You could just leave those off. I would have positive, negative, +5 times the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix left over. And so this 2 is on the outside here, and then this 10, this 2 times 5 gives me a 10, and then if I multiply here to get the determinant, I get 7 minus 6, so that's 1. So that's how the answer just turns out to be 10. All right, so there is a trick for 3 by 3 matrices, and let's do that in the next video.